Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to show you how to open the terminal inside the VS Code. It's super quick and useful for running command right inside your editor. So let's jump right into it. First of all, open the VS Code and make sure to open the file or folder whichever you want, or you can create a new file. Then at the top menu you will see the terminal and click on new terminal and your terminal will open. Or if you want the shortcut key, simply press the Ctrl plus backtick key. Backtick key is usually just above the tab button. Click Ctrl plus backtick once and your terminal will be opened. And another step is to command palette. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus P on Windows. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus P and your command palette will open. Type interrogated terminal, toggle interrogated terminal and hit enter. Or you can right click on your inside the Explorer. Right click inside your Explorer, then and select open in interrogated terminal. And that's how you open the terminal in VS Code in just a few seconds. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe for more quick tips, and I'll see you in the next one.